It's just a tough go for Dallas all around. I'm sorry.
I'm still a fan, regardless.
No, it's good. You're a true fan. That's the way it should
Cowboys.
be.
That's right.
Arlington has a special place in my heart as well.
They were talking about the wind being the issue. We had a lot of wind yesterday.
Yeah, we sure did. There was a cold front that moved through yesterday. We had the windy conditions in the morning. The wind did calm down throughout the day. We've got a weather impact forecast to talk about for you coming into this week. We are anticipating the first night in the 40s since April 3rd, y'all. Cooler air is set to arrive Wednesday. So right now we are cooler than yesterday by about 22 degrees, by the way. It is 57 degrees right now in Corpus Christi, 55 in Robstown, 59 in Kingsville as you're getting ready to head out the door. This is why we're initially cooler. Cold front number 1 has passed through. This is the remnants of Sarah impacting New Orleans, Huntsville, and by remnants, I mean it's tropical moisture that's being pulled up and interacting with this cold front and helping produce showers and thunderstorms across this area. So flooding a concern across the southeast. We are nice and dry behind cold front number 1, but it's this front. We've got a second front on the way. This one is what's going to bring in some colder air across Texas with the help of high pressure building, sending down those northerly winds into Wednesday and Thursday. We are anticipating some of the coolest air we have seen in quite some time. High pressure sliding southeast into the weekend, though, is going to heat us back up. So we've got sweater weather 4 more days of this week. So Wednesday morning, Thursday morning could be the coldest day we see, or the coldest night we've seen so far this year. 50 Friday morning, then we're warming into the weekend. So really I need to get rid of the sweater on Sunday because that's too warm. It's outside of our definition. But when it comes to fall-like conditions, we do have another cold front tonight. So it's going to be a dry passage. You're barely going to notice it, except our temperatures will be cooler on Wednesday. We've got a north wind 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour on Wednesday, and our seasonal temperatures are going to stick around for about the next 3 days. So here's what I mean by that. A little bit of a roller coaster ride, right? We could hit the record high today. 90 degrees, not out of the question. That was last set in 1953. Then we're near normal. Unfortunately, we're not below normal for our high temperature. 75 is our average high today. We'll be near normal Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then we get back up into the 80s as we head into the weekend and early next week. So breaking down on Futurecast, that cold front, we're just going to see sunshine. This is going to bring drier air. This is going to bring cooler air. High pressure is sinking air. So that's going to prevent any clouds from really trying to form until we get to the weekend. Warmer air starts to come back up out of the southeast. We'll see some cloud coverage sneaking in, and then looking far ahead into next week, there is a chance another storm system tries to swing through right about the time of Thanksgiving. So this is still a very early outlook for Thanksgiving, but right now there is a chance for a weak storm system with a cold front that we're still watching the timing and the strength. Right now a little rain is possible. There's a wide range of temperatures, too far in advance to really narrow down a temperature, and a lot of it has to do with the timing and the strength of that cold front, which is still a bit of an unknown at this time. But our average high is 73 degrees by Thanksgiving. Breezy conditions are anticipated, which is not abnormal for this region. Let's just focus on the next 7 days, though. We'll get through this school week and work week. Friday, as we're kicking things off for the weekend, we do start to warm back up. We'll be in the 80s again by next week. So we've got our forecast bookended with 2 rather warm days, but 3 cooler days are in store coming up. Barbie, John Thomas.
We'll take what we can get at this point.
Absolutely. Thank you, Carly.